In ACDSee's edit mode and develop mode, we have a tool called LightEQ that enables selective exposure adjustments. This tool enables you to increase the light in your image or decrease it. However, one aspect of the LightEQ tool that is commonly misunderstood is the advanced setting. This image is open in develop mode. LightEQ, on the left here, has three submodes. Basic, which enables you to increase or decrease the light in the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Standard, which enables you to do the same, but it also incorporates blacks and whites into the spectrum in addition to shadows, midtones, and highlights. And then finally, Advanced. Advanced confuses people because it treats adding brightness or adding darkness as a spectrum to 100 bands rather than just blacks, shadows, midtones, highlights, and whites. To increase brightness, left-click on the top band. To increase darkness, right-click on the bottom band. The top band allows you to introduce light to the spectrum beginning on the left with the darker portions of your image and moving towards brighter portions of your image on the right. The bottom section allows you to introduce darkness to lighter portions of your image in the same way. If you brighten already bright portions of your image or darken already dark portions of your image, red will appear in your histogram. This indicates that you are overexposing or underexposing your image intentionally. If you click on the Show Clipped Highlights and Shadows icon, green will appear in your preview in areas that you've underexposed, and reds will appear in areas that you've overexposed. Each section has its own corresponding histogram, the top and the bottom here. Because this image is darker overall, the right side of the top histogram is really minimal. This is actually reflected by the overall histogram on the right side of the user interface. If you hover over your preview with your cursor, yellow bands will emerge to showcase where the color falls on each LightEQ band. As a recommended workflow, I support clicking on the preview itself, holding and dragging upwards or downwards to increase or decrease. Use the left click to increase brightness, or the right click to increase your darkness. This enables me to gently emphasize brightness patterns that are already present in this image. And as you can see, I haven't overexposed or underexposed my image with these adjustments.